Good morning, class 7. Let us come back to our mensuration chapter. Look at this diagram. I had left this diagram last day. This is from your next exercise. Today we shall do the find out the area of these shaded portion. Can you see this? This is a dark shaded portion, this shaded portion. But in order to find out the area of this shaded portion, so what you will do is that, see, there are three triangles here. This is the one triangle, this is the other triangle, and this one is the other triangle. But the very nice part about these three triangles are the measurement of all the three triangles are same. That means the base is 3 centimeter in all the three triangles and its height is 4 centimeter. Okay, and there is also a rectangle. See, a huge rectangle is there whose length is 18 centimeter and your breadth is 7 centimeter. Okay, so now in order to find out the area of this shaded portion, first of all you find out the area of this rectangle first. So see, I have done it out here. I have done area of the shaded portion. I have to find out the area of the shaded portion. So what I have done, I have taken that area of the triangles. So see, there are three triangles. This is triangle number 1, this is triangle number 2, this is triangle number 3. So what I did was, I found out the area of one single triangle. So the formula to find out the area of the triangle is half into base into height. So half is half into base was 3 and height was 4. So then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 3 twos are 6. 6 is the area of one single triangle. But how many triangles are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3. So if one triangle is 6, then 3 triangle will be 3 into 6, that is 18 centimeter square is the area of 3 triangles. Similarly, I have finished with 3 triangles. Now take out the area of this rectangle. Yeah, the formula to find out the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So what is the length? 18. What is the breadth? Is 7. 18 into 7 is 126. Now what do? You have got two areas. See, you have got the area of the triangle is 18 and area of the rectangle is 126. So area of the triangle, this three triangle is 18 and area of this big rectangle is 126. Now in order to find out the area of this shaded portion, where I'm moving out my this red color pen, so in order to find out the area, it is simple. From the area of the rectangle, you subtract the area of the triangles. So 126 minus 18, if you do, you will get 108. This 108 is the area of these shaded portion. This is how you will do the area of the shaded portion. Now coming to one more, okay, and this is very interesting. See, they have asked you to find out the area of this small triangle. See, there are two triangles. The bigger triangle is A, B, and C, and the smaller triangle is D, B, and C. So first of all, what do you do? Let us consider the bigger triangle. I'll take one of my pen. I will take a big triangle, this one. I'll see A, B, and C. Here what was given? In this, no need to find out the area. Area is already given 52.5. It is already mentioned. So taking this big triangle, I will find, see, height is given my 7.5. But my base is missing. This base, this BASE, base portion is missing. So with the help of the formula of a triangle, area equals to of a triangle ABC, the bigger triangle, half into base into height. I take my half, base is not given as B, and my height is 7.5. Taking this, and my area was given 52.5. See, if I solve this equation, I got my base 14. Okay, so my base is 14 centimeter. Now the interesting thing is, see here, the base of the bigger triangle is 14 and the base of the smaller triangle is also BC. The bigger triangle's base ABC is BC. The smaller triangle DBC is also BC. So the base of both the triangles are, yes. Now what have you got the base? The base is 14 centimeter is the base. Now taking this base, and the height is already given 4.5 centimeter. Okay, you can see it out here. See, the height of the small triangle is 4.5 centimeter. So I have taken once again area of the smaller triangle DBC equals to half into base into height. Half into base is 14 into height is 4.5. So I find the area as 31.5. This is my area. But children, to your surprise, if you go and see the back page answer is given as, it is given 101.5 centimeter square, which is absolutely wrong. Okay, this is your correct answer. See, you have to use your brain. A smaller circle can never have a greater area than the bigger circle. Okay, so the answer is 31.5. Now, if you see to these other shaded figures in your book, you can see these shaded figures are given. As you can see, question number 8, find the area of the shaded figure. This entire shaded figures areas you have to take it out. Okay, so now in this type of diagrams, how we will do is we have to, now let us take this first diagram. Okay, I'm taking this one. I'm zooming this diagram here out here. See here. This is my rectangle. Actually, if you use your pen and you'll understand this, it will be more easy for you to understand it. Okay, I'm going to use a white color pen. See here, what I'm going to do in this diagram is I'm going to cut this diagram like this. Okay, I cut this diagram. See here, roughly I'm cutting it out here. I cut this diagram, or maybe, yeah. Now in that case, what will happen? Now you can come and look at my this one. Now you can have a look. Now this diagram is cut into two parts, the upper part and the lower part. Now you see the upper part has got a rectangle. Now the upper part has a, now come back to this. See this is one rectangle and this small is one rectangle. Okay, so find, in order to find out the area of this entire figure, shaded figure of the bigger rectangle and the smaller rectangle, what you do, I have divided, see with this white line, I have divided it into two parts. The upper part is a bigger rectangle, small part is a smaller rectangle. Okay, so what I do, first of all, find out the area of this huge rectangle. See, this is the length is 8, and you must be wondering how much is the breadth. So the breadth is 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 4.5. So I have done it out here. See here, two rectangles were given, big as well as small. Now I am considering only the big one. So the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So in order, let us find out the length. Length was 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 4.5. I have got it from here. See, this much is 2.5. This much is also 2.5, and this remaining portion, this portion is 4.5. So together, if I calculate 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 4.5, it is 9.5, and the breadth was already given 8 centimeter. It is given out here. See, this is my 8 centimeter breadth. So with using this diagram, I took out the area of the bigger rectangle, 9.5 into 8. That is the length into breadth. I got 76 meters square. Similarly, now again I take the smaller. Now focus only on this particular portion, this small rectangle. Small rectangle's length is given already 4.5 and breadth is given 1.5. So take it again. So the small rectangle's length is 4.5, breadth is 1.5. So the area is length into breadth, 4.5 into 1.5, that is 6.75. Okay, now with this 6.75, now you take out the total area. Total area means add the area of the bigger rectangle and also the area of the smaller rectangle. That I have done. The area of the bigger rectangle was 76 and the area of the smaller rectangle was 6.75. Now if I take this together and I sum it up, I'll get 82.75 meters square as the area of this shaded portion. This is how the entire shaded portion's area is calculated. See, in the question some more diagrams are given. I can suggest you to try this D and this E. Try it yourself. Divide this, see, break the diagram here, break the diagram here. In the same way, break the diagram here, and break it, and then finally add all this. So this will be your homework for you. Question D and E of question number 8, find the area of the shaded portion of these rectangles. Okay, with this I conclude my today's class, and then we shall meet again next day. Thank you children, please take care.